Hey guys, James here with Wedge Koncepts, and in this video, I'm going to help you prioritize your financial goals. Now let's face it, right? The majority of us go through our lives spending money every day, and we spend our money on whatever meets our needs for the day. But what ends up happening is that we forget about our more expensive financial goals. So I'm going to go over 3 things that you can do today to get started identifying, prioritizing, and accomplishing your larger financial goals. The first step is just to make a list. Make a list and write down 4 to 5 things that if you purchase will make you happy or feel more secure. Your list should include things that you need and things that you also want. Put anything on your list, from getting out of debt to purchasing a new car or saving for a new home. It could also be something as simple as, let's say, a 65-inch TV or living room set. But when you write down your goals, try to be as specific as possible. Would you like your next car to be a sedan or SUV? What color, new or used? And always try to estimate a price for each goal. Now, the next step is to rank your list. And ranking your list is actually going to be challenging because your financial goals are constantly changing depending on your circumstances. So if you're paying top dollar for that snazzy apartment uptown because it's close to the nightlife, it won't leave you with much money to put aside to buy a new car. Or if you're saving up for your kids' education, you may not be able to save enough money to remodel your kitchen, and that's just reality. But what if you have things on your list that you just can't quite decide which ones are important? You should ask yourself, which purchase will benefit the most people? Will remodeling your kitchen benefit your family more than a new SUV? Or you could look at, the opposite side. What if you neglected a purchase? What would cause the greatest harm if you put it on hold? Is your car on the brink of breaking down and possibly leaving you stranded on the side of the road? And then let's take it a step further. If you have kids, you may have to decide between putting money away for your kids' college education or towards your own retirement and savings. And saving for your kids' education can actually prevent you from putting money into your own retirement. You really have to be honest with yourself. If you know that you won't be able to sustain yourself financially from your pension and Social Security, then your retirement and savings may need to be a high priority. And if your child wants to attend college, they definitely can. They can obtain scholarships and grants and student loans, bank loans. They can work and go to school. Look, there are ways to pay for college. Quick disclaimer, I am by no means saying that your child's college education isn't a priority, but I'm just giving you a financial perspective, okay? So I know that was a lot, but let's keep going. Try to keep it simple. Try to accomplish a few goals each year while staying focused on your long-term goals. For example, you can purchase a new living room set in February and still be able to go on your family vacation in August. Now, the last step, easiest, check your list every 3 to 4 months. Check your list periodically because your priorities are going to change as time goes on. So it's always a good idea just to go over it every 3 to 4 months and adjust it accordingly. All right, let's recap. Number 1, make a list. Number 2, prioritize your list. And number 3, periodically check your list. Don't forget to subscribe and also submit a comment. Let me know if you've tried making a list to prioritize your spending and if it's helped or not. Definitely go ahead and check out my other videos and let's build together. Peace.